What's going on, guys? Welcome to Art Tips. In this week's video, we're going to be looking at shape theory for character design. Looking at some popular characters, you'll see that they can be broken down into basic shapes. Understanding the theory behind the shapes will help us understand why their design is so effective. Circles can represent friendly, charismatic, and safe. There are no sharp edges or points here. It's easy to make a character likable with a soft and harmless shape like a circle. Kirby is basically one big circle. It helps him look friendly and soft. Mario is more complex, but still made up of circles, so he's easily likable and charismatic. A triangle can represent being determined, dynamic, or even aggressive if pointed downwards. It's easy to make evil or sinister characters out of triangles. Look at Jafar from Aladdin. He's made up of so many triangles, especially downwards pointing triangles, and this helps sell his character as the bad guy. Squares are seen as strong, stable, reliable, traditional. They can also be seen as boring. Look at the grandpa from Up. He's made out of squares and can be seen as traditional and boring. Or look at Wreck-It Ralph, a big, strong character that's represented with squares. Remember, this is just theory. You can use it however you want, or you can ignore it completely. It's completely up to you. But if you like these videos, remember to follow me at SoulTunes for weekly art videos, and thanks for watching.